Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about the modern shelf design. Today we live in a digital age. There is no replacing the power of books, especially in design. Not only do they tell the story of homeowner, adding personality to a space, but they also make a bold decor statement. You do not need a designated library or office space to use books as a design element. A wall lined with books transform any room into a stunning. Whenever it is simple rows of shelves or beautiful built bookcase offer stylish storage for books, artwork and other collection. A book lasts as long as a house for hundreds of years, Thomas Jefferson once wrote. It is not then an article of more consumption but fairly of capital. Read on for expert tips on how to decorate the bookcase. There are something special about local bookstores and used bookstore in particular. The manager of personal collection and books by the foot at the strange bookstore. There are so much history there and the craft that went into producing antique books give them a beauty that most contemporary books do not have. I often mix books with my clients' other pieces such as blue and white. Books with something as simple as travel photos is a great way to tell the world about you. To ensure your collection still look organized and cohesive, recommends grouping the books by color, subjects or size, then pulling the spine to the edge of shelves. Slate bookshelves line the office area in design. Corners are some of most difficult space to design around in any home, which is why then are a space for storing things on shelves. There are so many styles of corner shelf design available in the market and dye solution, and they constitute a very good furniture option for you in decorating your home. Check out these amazing corner shelf design to get the inspiration you need. Next time you are staring at a wall wondering how best to organize your things, and take a look in a corner. A design shelf or several that fit into the corner of a room can open up a world of possibilities. You might show off a collection in an unexpected way and created an office space out of a cranny. A few of my favorite things corner shelf in a world of laminate and formica surrounded yourself with solid wood. It is a desktop console or a wall shelf where you can place your most treasured artifacts, or horizontally on a wall either as a single large shelf or as a series of smaller platforms. A feature of solid wood in this scale is that as it expands and contrasts with the season. Additionally, the cracks will develop and grow, adding character and depth of texture to this pieces as it matures. They do not affect structural integrity. These folding bookshelves are really innovative and practical. They let you arrange the books in an interesting way, as you can see from these pictures. The shelves are made of sturdy cherry wood, but they possess the lightness of a rice paper. They can be laid down, stood up, turned 90 degrees and used horizontally or vertically. This multiple size shelf design called the Quiet Bookcase can store your CDs, DVDs and book all in one clever product. For even more storage space, units can be joined together. Asymmetric in perfect balance. It has a very original and modern design. You can store too much stuff on his shelf, but it is a great way to decorate a wall. Put inside only the books and objects you really like. This design might look cool, but I do not think you could stay to relax in that space. I had rather sit in comfortable chair. As you can see from this picture, a whole wall was used for this interesting bookcase. The result is very interesting bookcase, at least from my perspective. At first glance, it appears that arranging books on a lovely Rita bookshelves could be a rare adventure. It can be a single shelf or repeated by combining additional units, becoming a bookcase of any desired length. Thanks to its special shape, it allows two different figures to be designed on the wall, according to which way it is hung. Show off these products. These glass shelves are characterized by clean lines and modern transparent design. They have different sizes, allowing you to make all kinds of combination for storing books, CDs, decor and larger items. Vintage shelf is an original shelf, reminiscent of a classic bookshelf design within a contemporary form. It allows traditional furniture to fit seamlessly into the modern home of today, a unique combination of the past and the present. The Logi is a modular bookcase that obtains a high degree of personality since it is formed of blocks of equal height that allows a free combination. It offers a variety of compartments and it's suitable for not only books but also decorative pieces. It also can be used as a room partition. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like the video. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.